Welcome back to my another video. There are two interrelated puzzles right here. I would like to explain how to make it and how to solve it for an exhibition. minus 6 equal to dash. It's 4. Then 17 minus 10 equal to which number? It's 7. 1 plus dash equal to 9. It's 8. 10 plus dash equal to 17. It's 7. Dash minus 6 equal to 2. It's 8. Four into 6 equal to which number? It's 24. Then we can think 10 plus dash equal to dash. Which numbers are suitable for this place? It's 4 and 14. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. 2 into dash equal to 4. It's 2. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. 14 plus 2 equal to which number? It's 16. Then we can think which numbers are suitable for this place. 10 into dash equal to dash. It's 1 and 10. So 10 into 1 equal to 10. Then dash minus 2 equal to 6. It's 8. So let's get into the next puzzle. Firstly, 10 plus 10 equal to which number? It's 20. Then 7 plus 8 equal to which number? It's 15. And also 45 minus 15 equal to 30. Then 20 minus 4 equal to which number? It's 16. Then 8 divided by 1 equal to which number? It's 8. Then 7 plus dash equal to 8. It's 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Dash plus 16 equal to 45. It's 29. Plus dash equal to 29. It's 90. Dash minus 73 equal to 1. It's 74. 20 minus dash equal to 19. It's 1. Then we can think which numbers are suitable for this place. Dash plus dash equal to 73. 40 plus 33 equal to 73. Then we can think which numbers are suitable for this place. Dash minus dash equal to 3. The numbers 10 minus 7 equal to 3 and also 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Then 10 into dash equal to 33. No numbers are suitable for this place. So we can change the places of 33 and 40. 33 put here and 40 put here. Now we can put 4 here. So 10 into 4 equal to 40. Then 24 plus dash equal to dash. 20 divided by dash equal to 4. No numbers are suitable for these places. So we can change these places 4 and 10. So 4 into 10 equal to 40. But 4 minus 7 equal to 3 is not correct. Then 20 divided by dash equal to 10. It's 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. Then dash minus dash equal to 3. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Right? Yes. Then 24 plus 7 equal to 31. That's all. Thank you.